Hey and welcome. We are now going to trade some binary option, but before I get to that, I am trading live every single day, and today I made 9 trades for binary option and we won all of the trades. So I made a sweet profit of $855 as I do $100 trades. So if you want to join me and copy what I'm doing, make sure you follow my channel, turn on the bell notification, subscribe and all this good stuff, and like this video. And if you want me to trade live on pocket option, make sure you comment that on this video and I will think about it if I see if enough people want me to trade live on this broker also, because the live trading I do is on another broker. But that does not mean it's not possible to trade here also. It's a little more difficult, but yes, it is possible to trade here also. And what I like here, you can trade with very little. You can start with as little as $10 and you can build up to something big. I started myself with just $100 and you can see my balance up there, and I have withdrawn a few times also. So if you want to join this broker, I have made a super account for you where I basically give 60% of my affiliate income back to you. This is extra to what you would earn normally with this broker. So every time you trade, you will get cash back using my link. So also there are a promo code included inside the link. So if you deposit more than $100, you will get 50% extra on your first deposit. So make sure you join with the link you see up there right now. Yeah, you see it up there now. Or you can just use the link you find below the video, and you can use that link also to get your first account set up. And if you have accounts from before and you want to take advantage of my super link, just make sure you withdraw money, close your account, and just reopen with my link, and you can start. Okay? But now let's see if we can find some good trading here, and I will show you how I trade on this broker. And now let's see if we can find something to trade. Let's take a look at this one here. We are getting close to an area down here. We see we had something here from the past. I will take a higher if you come down to this green line here. Let's see. I'm ready to go in. We see if when you come down to this region here, we have a tendency to go up. Oh, it's a little more up actually. Let's see now, I'm ready. There, I'm in. We see we got a very nice entry down here. We see if we look at this chart here, most of the time he chooses to close above this green line. That means the win rate should here be pretty high. And we see lately this and this and this bar all closed above the area but came down there. So that's why I did trade this one here. Is basically just keep it stupid simple. Just trade support, resistance, and you can trade trend lines. Trend line, if you don't want to trade trend lines, you don't need to. Just find areas where you see, for example, up here, you see you had one spike here, one spike here, spike here, spike here. That shows you that up around here that you have a resistance, and every time he come up to that region, he have a tendency to just shoot down. So that means you could take here you put a lower trade, for example. And you see here now, he came down, and what happened? He shoot up because he have a strong support down here. And you see there, just like that, $92. So then when you see, look at closer trades here, you see here we got the win, and it's the only trade I have done today. So it's that simple to trade on this broker. So if you want to start trading here also, you can start with just $10 if that's what you want, and just do $1 trades, and you can start to build up your account that way. And if you take $10, sadly you will not get any the promo code. If you want to take advantage of the promo code, you need to deposit more than $100, but it's not, you don't need to. You can start with $10 if you want to do that. So that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next, and I hope I see you on the live stream.